Hello, thank you for letting me interview you about your wiggly tooth. Can you smile so everybody can see it? Am I driving you crazy asking about it all the time? Oh, okay. Are you tired of me meddling in your life?
No.
Oh, okay. So I can meddle in your life?
Yes.
For the rest of my life?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Do you know what meddling means?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Because I'm planning to meddle in your life for a long time. I'm going to use my dying breath to let you know that I've never liked your husband. Don't poke at the camera. Stop. Okay. When are you going to pull out your tooth?
I don't know.
Okay. Why is it bugging me so much? Do you know?
I don't know.
I don't know either. What if I gave you $20, then would you pull it out?
No.
What if I took you to Cold Stone?
No.
Taco Bell?
No.
Is there anything I could give you that would cause you to pull your tooth out?
I don't know.
Okay. Is there any chance are you never going to pull it out?
I don't know.
Okay. You're just going to keep it in your mouth for the rest of your life, the baby tooth? Okay. All right. Is there anything else you'd like to say about your tooth?
I want to videotape you.
No.
Please.
No.
I really want to videotape.
I don't have a wiggly tooth.
I want to videotape
All right. Say,
you.
repeat after me. I will pull out my wiggly tooth.
I will pull out my wiggly tooth.
Oh, when?
I don't know.
Okay. Did you just fart?
I really, 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 really want to videotape you.
Okay. I think you just farted.
I want to videotape you.
All right. Say goodbye to the people.